Another chain maintenance tip. This is a 101B kart saw with a 63 gauge full skip chisel. It's been ground on a Sylvie chain grinder. I think I've taken 20 thousandths off the raker. I cleaned up the gullet by hand, but what I'm doing now, which is fairly tedious, is filing the gullets all uniformly on a Grandberg filing joint. So we'll get right into it. With a Sylvie chisel grinder, you'll end up with about this much material that never gets touched, and that would be your gullet. So as the tooth gets shorter, that gullet corner right there will start sticking out ahead of this working corner right here. Now on my work chains, I can just kind of hog this out by hand with a file, and I don't really care to take that much time to do it, just as long as it's further back than my working corner. However, this chain, I want it to be extremely smooth and fast. So what I'll do is I'll set the Grandberg filing joint up on a slightly different angle than if I were to be trying to file this chain properly with a filing joint. You can see the angle difference here between what I have the Sylvie chain grinder set up at and what this Grandberg filing joint is set up at. And what I'm trying to do is angle my gullet so that it clears the chips slightly better than if I didn't know what angle it was at all. And what I'll do is take a few strokes out of the gullet until I notice the file coming up into the side cutter of the already ground chisel tooth. So you've got a filed gullet that stops right here at the bottom of the side cutter. Side cutter still intact, working corner, top cutter. If you end up going too far, it's probably not that big of a deal. You can catch back up the next time you put this tooth on the chisel grinder.